If you've been trying to find the Splice tool in CapCut on PC, and you can't see it anywhere, don't worry, because in the desktop version, it's called Blend. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to splice in CapCut on PC, how to use the blend feature for overlays, and how to adjust the look so your video comes out clean and professional. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button, and make sure you subscribe for more quick CapCut tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your PC and start a new project, or open an existing one that you want to edit. The first thing you need to do is import your clips. You want your main video on the timeline first, then place the overlay clip directly above it on a video track. This part is important because Blend only works when you have two layers to work with. Your base footage stays on the bottom and your overlay footage goes on top. Once both clips are in place, click on the top video clip in your timeline. Make sure it's highlighted because the blend settings will only appear for the selected overlay clip. If you accidentally select the bottom clip, you won't get the effect you want. So just left-click the overlay and confirm that it is active. Now look to the upper right side of the screen. You'll see the editing panel, and under the video tab, click on Basic. After that, scroll down until you find the Blend option. This is the CapCut PC feature that replaces what many people call Splice on mobile. Once you open it, you'll see a list of different blending modes. Choose the mode that matches the effect you want. For example, Screen is great for bright overlays. Darken works well when you want to remove lighter areas. Overlay gives a stronger combined look, and Filter can help create a more stylized result. Each mode changes how your top clip interacts with the clip underneath, so it's worth trying a few options to see which one fits your video best. After selecting a blend mode, use the opacity slider to fine-tune the result. If the overlay looks too strong, lower the opacity. If you want it to stand out more, increase it. This is where you control how subtle or dramatic the splice effect feels. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so don't be afraid to preview and tweak it until it looks right. As you're testing different settings, play back the timeline and watch how the two clips combine. If the effect feels too harsh, switch to another blending mode or reduce the opacity a little more. If it feels too weak, increase the opacity or try a mode like overlay for a more visible finish. The goal is to make the top layer blend naturally with the base video. And that's really all there is to it. On CapCut for PC, Splice is done through Blend. And once you know where to find it, the process is very simple. Import your clips, put the overlay on top, select it, open the blend settings, choose your mode, and adjust the opacity until it looks perfect. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.